Let us do something different today. I will share with you some of the kitchenware that I use. I have purchased them from Amazon. So let's type silicone spatula. There are a large variety with wooden handles and full silicone variety. These are good for cooking as they don't heat up and can be used for a variety of purposes. These spatula are really durable. They are also economical. They have lasted me years. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Subscription is absolutely free. Follow for more videos. Thanks for watching.